Now, got some lighting down here I put up a little while ago, getting things set up. Brought the puppy dishes in. Just gonna finish cleaning up this here for him to kind of put a chain in here to keep down here away from all the work when I'm working with power tools. And I've been doing a lot of organizing, putting tools away indoors. Got the smash block set up. Got the garbage can ready to put garbage in. We got buckets filling up. So we've been going pretty steady. He's been doing all the tear downs. I've been doing all the maid work. So, not a bad day. Made a bit of a profit. Got that stuff done down there. And yeah, so we're doing pretty good. Now we're just gonna try to get all this bulky stuff out into the trailer tonight. That's why he's working so hard to get stuff broken down. I can start hearing myself in a second or two. Then we got a nice clear path here to bring more stuffs in. And we actually start cleaning up some wires and stuff we've been getting. This is just from the last couple hours in here. So you can't complain about that. Well, you could be about a fool, but you'd be a fool. Clean this up a little bit. Yep, it's wrong side. Snip that off. This is just the fuses out of one of the stones we have here. So we'll clean this up. He's doing the heavy stuff down. Take out all the fuses. Now we're going to smash these later and get the brass off them. Make sure you're down far enough. There you go. But for now, we'll take all these out. Because this is full of brass. So, we want me to get that out. First time I take one of these apart. It was pretty hard. Now I'll get Mr. Makin it. Yeah, that screw's gonna come out. Figured as much. Small piece of copper, and that's brass. A little straight to make sure. Yep, yellow. That's brass. That means this one's brass, obviously. So I'm gonna have to check that. That little piece of copper. That one. Copper, I mean brass, sorry. Now, clean these up a bit. these are all brass, I believe. Yep. No sticky. That's brass. Yeah, it broke it. That didn't go nowhere. One more hit. Okay, 2 more hits. Now it's just being a bugger. We'll go back to that in a minute. Son of a gun don't want to come off easy. So, still don't want to come off. These are a bugger to get apart. There we go. Good enough for me. Got a little piece. 2 pieces of copper up here. Some of this plastic garbage. I'm not going to beat that out. It ain't worth the time. Garbage. All right. Finish. That's a couple out.
That's me.
Good. I wasn't really aiming. Ha ha. So, it's not really that hard to do here. Just a couple of wax hammer here and there. So, just a couple more wax here, and I can try my new scale. Haven't tried my new scale yet. We'll try with this. Two, 3 more. Well, yeah, look at that though, I get a little piece. So we're almost done. 2 more.
With something from it.
Well, there you go.
Yo, talk to me.
You know. Oh, this is gonna be a little bugger.
Got some more wiring.
Yeah, throw in the blue bucket. Turn it into powder and it'll fall out. Or not. Work that piece after. So, no, look at that. Flew back. You know, we got this thing here. There's a way to get into it. There's the hinges. There we go, right there. Open up, you. Come on. This is hard to get along with.
I got a snake.
There we go.
Where do you want this?
Just, is there anything in it? All right, put that wire in the bucket. Or actually, let me see that wire. It's already clean. Let's throw that in white bucket. Nope. This bucket. There we go. Oh, no, it's not clean. Just, see this for a second. Sometimes it's steel. Yeah, it's steel.
Damn.
That's just shred. So, get the scale out here. Put that down. There we go. Try to scale over that first time.
I did an oopsie and launched all this copper halfway across the shop.
All right, so that's on pounds. .2 pounds of clean brass. So 0.2, about 40 or 50 cents worth of brass. That's not bad. Could be worse. Plus we got this little piece here. That won't add too much. Use that
Hey, Dad,
black stuff out of it.
want me to take it on that big thing?
Yeah. You might need the it's no, I don't want you hitting with that.
I'm not. I'm
Be-
exploring it first.
Because it's oh, that thing there. Yeah. Oh, that black thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's got a lot of cast aluminum in it, so don't hit it with a hammer. Not good. Cast aluminum, if you all don't know, is not really being beat on too much. It sort of explodes. So, it's a bit of a mess. That's what we're up to today. Trying to get as much out of here as we can. Whoops, letting him work on the bigger items, and I'm working on the smaller items. And trying to get some stuff cleaned up as quickly as we produce it. So he brought over this wire, so I'm gonna do the wire next. We clean it up and put it in that bucket. So we're just gonna, nice little production line. So the big stuff gets broken down to smaller stuff, it's brought down here. And it goes from here, cleaned up, down to there, done, just keeps right on going until it's all processed and out of here. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. We're here for a few more hours. And make some more rackets, tear some more stuff apart. Make some more money, more scrapper money. All right, everybody, you guys all have a great day. Thanks for visiting, appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. It's a nice joint. And we'll see y'all next one. Take care all, and God bless.